Kain tayo mga kalabs. Morning mga kalabs, kain tayo. Ulam natin. Tapos sausawan natin sibuyas, kamatis, tuyo. Sarap. Saka itlog. Itlog niyo mga auto. Charot lang. Aray ko. Gutom tayo, kabababa lang naglaba. Ay.
Roblox by. Look at all them. Like the first four. You said you also. Where are your skills? Wait, he has a good point. Where are your skills? I'm tough. I'm buff. I'd hit you in the stomach. I'm a cool, so be prepared, cool. Oh God, no! I'm a one-hit wonder. You down on the floor. A one-hit wonder implies that you're bad and you just got lucky with one song that you just completely fell off. I'm just letting you know, as a
Nag-deal ka mo, kuwan.
you can't even rap. I gotta vote for Azaze.
Munbiya ini ba? Pagtaga tausog boro, sibi-sibi.
Azaze knocked them off stage 30.
Iban tahay ang biya tiya tapas-tapas.
Makes sense. Yeah, out of the 30, there's like 40 people here clearly, and 35 voted for him.
Dala rin hasog.
Yep, 35 people from other servers joined in.
Tapos binigyan kami.
My boy Azaze. Alright guys, I don't know what kind of rappers I'm going up against. All I have in the chat history is, shall we play Map City? I'm going to win this.
Bunso, oh. Dalawang junasis ko.
Should have stayed at Map City.
Bunso, oh. Kumakain, oh. Kagigising yan ni Bunso.
I'm sorry, sis. I can't believe I'm talking like this, but I'm going to win.
Kasi wala siyang pasok ngayon, eh.
I'm gonna win this. 3 minutes later, I'm going to win. It'll just be different typos every single time. Alright, now we got a more emotional song. What emotions are you gonna bring out to this one? Hi! Wait, are you gonna win this or are you gonna lose this? I'm trying to spike some creativity with her. Bacon era
Alat.
Robux? Hi. She did really good on that one. That's all she's gonna type.
Isang alat ng ano?
Her whole life is a lie. You have no Robux to play blocks with.
Ng, ano ba? Tuyo. Sobrang alat.
You're poor. Well, how did this go? She doesn't walk on stage.
Maasin.
I'm hungry. Well, you're too poor to eat. Why did she just do that? She just glitched the Matrix. Why did you just walk on stage? I gotta vote for my girl Bacon Hair. Nice. You would be my food. Ooh, turning her own words against her. Bacon Hair won. Another person voted for her. She laughed. She took her victory. She took the dub and left. It's me versus her.
Ang sarap kumain pag pagod. So, katatapos ko naglaba, nagdak-dak lang sa kita niyo tausog mga kalabs. Sisya na kayo. Baka maino-ino ka mo. Magtatagalog ako pag nag-ano sa salita ako sa video. Kasi mga ibang viewers, mga kaiwanan mga viewers natin, hindi nakakaintindi sila kasi nagsasabi, anong salita mo? Anong salita mo sis? Hindi namin naintindihan. Mga followers. Kaya nga ako nagtatagalog dahil dito ako sa Maynila. Hindi nila naintindihan pag nagtausog ako. Mga ibang followers ko. Pasensya na kayo mga kalabs, mga bangsa ko tausog ha. Baka iyan nyo sa bako. Bakit ako nagtatagalog? Tausog naman ako. Thanks mga kalabs. Don't forget, follow my page. Like and share na lang. Thank you.